Let's make spicy lime chicken tacos with corn salsa. This recipe is simple yet full of flavor. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the lime chicken marinade. Begin your marinade by zesting the limes. Try to get only the green part of the rind and not the white, as the white parts of citrus rinds are bitter. After the limes are zested, you can then juice them. Next, measure and add in your spices. You can adjust this recipe to taste. If you would like it more or less spicy, adjust the amount of chili powder. You will also want to add in your garlic. I am going to use a garlic press for mine, however you can mince it instead. Finish the marinade by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and then whisking to combine. Next, slice your chicken into 1-inch cubes if you would like to marinate for 30 minutes, or you can leave the breast whole if you want to marinate for a few hours. When your chicken is the way you would like to prepare it, add it into the marinade, cover the bowl, and place it in the fridge. Always make sure to wipe down surfaces after dealing with raw meats. While the chicken marinades, let's make the corn salsa. These are the ingredients you'll need. Start by placing your corn on a lined baking sheet, drizzling it with olive oil and seasoning it with salt and pepper. Bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. While the corn roasts, dice your pepper into pieces slightly larger than corn kernels. Then prepare your jalapeno pepper by taking the end off with the stem, slicing it lengthwise, removing the membrane if you do not want it as spicy, and then dicing it into pieces slightly smaller than the bell pepper. After, use a serrated knife to quarter the cherry tomatoes. After 10 minutes, pull the corn out of the oven and put the other veggies onto the tray. Then place the tray back into the oven and allow the vegetables to cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. The goal is to have all of your vegetables slightly charred. To finish the salsa, remove the corn from the cob, add in your vinegar, I'm using a white balsamic, and then add in the peppers and tomatoes, and finish by seasoning with salt and pepper. To bring the tacos together, cook your chicken on medium-high heat until fully cooked. Make sure to warm up your tortillas and then add on any toppings you would like. Enjoy the recipes and make sure to check my channel out for others. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more food content.